I guess birds all even. Anyways, guys, I finally sand down the epoxy primer on the roof. Hopefully tomorrow, if I end up warming up the garage, 'cause it's cold up here. It's 35, 40 degrees now. If I end up warming up the garage and stuff, so I can respray the roof tomorrow. Let me tell you, this epoxy primer, any epoxy primer, pain in the ass to sand it. Definitely unsandable. I learned that hard way. Epoxy primers are unsandable. And let me tell you, whoever invented epoxy primer and sandable, you know, it should be kicked in the nuts.